How to deposit or withdraw on KuCoin mobile app. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to deposit or withdraw on KuCoin mobile app. So in that case, you have to go and log in KuCoin mobile app. So when you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and from the home page, this is how it's going to look like. So in order to deposit or withdraw on KuCoin, you have to go to the asset section first of all, and here you could go and see deposit crypto. So first thing, you have to go ahead and press that and deposit the crypto, or you wish to deposit a fiat. So here you could go ahead and select or read all of these terms and conditions, and when you actually selected that, next page, what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and deposit the funds, and when you've actually done depositing it, you would come back to the asset and then withdraw it to your local bank account or to the preferred destination. So by following the steps, you should be able to deposit or withdraw on KuCoin mobile app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.